Hello, everybody. So, as we all know, so many things have happened, and I just wanted to say thank you for everything. You guys have been amazing to me. For looking all the way at when we started, I I remember I was talking to people on Omegle, and they were telling me like, "Hey, man, you should really try doing something with your voice." And it was really funny to hear that from people. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do something like voiceovers or do something with like, VTubing stuff. And for me, it's been really wondering what kind of a direction I wanted to go. And I've been talking to a lot of people, which I will get back to in a second, but it was really trying to see what I wanted. And so many people on this journey have made it possible for me to do what I'm doing right now. I work full time and I'm doing stuff that, obviously isn't really impacting it, but it's still something I have to do every single day. It's just funny to think that I wasn't expecting to actually make it this far with you guys. Kind of see this as a video where I just want to say thank you to everybody who has been supporting me with everything. Looking back at Twitch, I remember I started the account, and I think it was the first day I started streaming. We were already at like 25 live viewers, which is crazy for somebody who just starts. I wasn't known. I was like the most unknown person at the time, and it's just funny to think how fast things are going. Looking back at the fact that I'm working right now on people with art. I'm working on an intro trailer. I'm working on music. I am working on fan art with people. There's like so many things going on that I'm like really hyped to see where we can get like get everything working. And it's never really something I figured out I would do. You know, it's so many people, like everybody in my Discord so far has made this work for me. And it's been really, the journey has been amazing with everybody that I know. People being there for me, people, being really kind, telling me the nicest things possible, like ever. I'm sorry if my English is not the greatest. I'm from Amsterdam in the Netherlands, so I'm trying my hardest here, but I just want to say thank you for everything. Listening to the people telling me how nice I am, listening to the people explaining that, they like my voice and that they enjoy what I do on Twitch and on YouTube and Instagram and so forth. I'm just like trying to let everything sink in and hopefully make it out there, it's already difficult enough looking at how COVID is working out and stuff like that. And I never really thought I would be doing anything like this, regarding YouTube or Twitch or doing like VTubing stuff. Um, it's, it's how do you say that? It's just been a really incredible journey with so many people around me. I remember I went on Omegle, as I said before, and I was just talking to a few random people. They were saying like, "Damn, dude, you got such a nice voice. You gotta like do something with that." And I never really figured I would or should do it because, it never really got to my mind. But at the same time, when I like think about it, it's definitely something I'm enjoying right now. As I said before, COVID is already as bad as it can get, and I'm trying to find, apart from my social life and everything in real life, I'm just trying to find people that I can work with, and it's been such an amazing journey, having so many amazing people, around me, and people making fan art, people making pictures and drawings of me, and people telling me how amazing I am for what I do and how kind, and you know, somebody creating this VTubing avatar for me, which I'm really in love with. Just a disclaimer, I have nothing against you. I'm not scared to show my face or anything or like that. No, if you actually knew who I was, there's plenty of me on the web actually. I have my other Twitch account. I have another personal YouTube account where I actually show my face and everything, but that's completely out of order. This is going to be like a channel where, for this disclaimer, which is the trailer for my YouTube, I want to reach a certain goal, which, whether it's 100,000 followers on Instagram or YouTube subscribers or Twitch followers or you name it, once I reach a goal where I'm satisfied with, and it's kind of like, you know, making sure that I reach it, so I'm going to like push myself to a limit where I actually have to make it. You know, it's kind of more for me than for you guys, so that I can push myself eventually to a limit where it's like, you know, I got to do this if I want to make it out there. And obviously, it's not like I need it because I'm working full-time with a really nice job and a good payment, so that's completely fine. It's just that I always wanted to do YouTube and Twitch, and I really, really hope this is succeed in it one day. But to gather and wrap up this video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been with me on this journey. And we are so close to reach the 50 follower count on Twitch and to become affiliated and bring you all along with that story with me. Jeez, my character just died for a sec. I want to thank you guys. Every single person who came with me. Thank you for everything, and I love you. You guys have been the best to me, and you still are. And I'm really hoping to see many more of you come join as well for this amazing journey we can both work out on. Thank you once again. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Really. Thank you.